Alright, so turn to page 376, and we're going to look at a new kind of problem. We're just adding one step to it. So, the example problem, determine the mass of sodium chloride, commonly called table salt, produced, so I know that's a product, so NaCl is produced, by or when 1.25 moles of chlorine gas reacts violently with sodium. So notice I did not write that 1.25, I didn't write that number anywhere. I just wrote my skeleton equation. Chlorine and sodium make NaCl. So step one, I have to do what? Balance it. So 2 chlorine, 1 chlorine, I have to put a 2 here. So then I'll also have to put a 2 here. So I've got 2, I've got 2 of everything. It's balanced. Now I write the number that it told me. It tells me I have 1.25 moles, and I have to know of what? What do I have 1.25 moles of? Chlorine gas. It's asking me to find what?
The mass of sodium chloride.
The mass. How do we label mass?
Grams.
Grams. So it's asking me to find grams of sodium chloride, not moles. So if I see grams, now I know what are you going to need to use sometime? Periodic table. But first I want to set things up. What's going to go on the bottom? Moles of Cl2. Here's where I can use my mole to mole ratio. What do I want to change it to? NaCl, because that's what I'm looking for. Whenever I have moles over moles, that's when I look at my equation. How many moles of NaCl? 2. How many moles of chlorine gas? 1. Okay, this time I'm not done. If I calculate this, my answer will be moles of NaCl. I want grams. So in order to get rid of this, I put it where? On the bottom. Now I'm going from moles to grams. What number will always go here? 1. In 1 mole of NaCl, what is my mass? 58. Sodium is 23. Chlorine is 35. 58. That cancels. This is grams of salt. So I'm done setting it up. I'm simply going to take 1.25 times 2 times 58, and it appears that I get 146. 3 significant digits, 3 significant digits. Make sure that I label.